Hello and welcome to this new video. I am very happy to meet you in this new episode in which we will try to learn English in a simple and easy way that suits all learners, especially beginners. In this video, we will not learn English in a complicated way or through difficult grammar rules. Instead, we will learn it gradually in a way that helps you improve your listening, reading, writing, and practice skills. In this series, you will try to learn English in a slightly different way from the traditional methods that many learners follow. You will listen to the language, read some sentences or texts, and you will also find translations for some difficult words. Before we begin, do not forget to support the video by leaving a like and sharing the video with your friends so that more learners can benefit. Perhaps this video will be the reason someone else learns English in a better way.
In this episode, we will learn step by step and slowly so that everyone can understand, because the goal of this series is not speed, but real understanding of the language. Today's topic is very important for anyone who wants to learn English, because we will talk about the correct way to learn English. In fact, there are many people who try to learn English but do not make much progress. The reason for this is not the difficulty of the language, but the way they learn it. Many learners follow incorrect or ineffective methods. Some try to memorize a large number of words without understanding them, others focus only on grammar, and some only watch lessons without practicing. Therefore, it is very important to know the correct method that helps us make real progress in learning the language. If we want to learn English correctly, we must first understand that learning any language in the world goes through several basic stages. These stages are like a path that we follow step by step until we reach our goal.
These stages are listening, memorization, reading, writing, and consistency. We will begin now with the first stage, which is listening. Listening is considered one of the most important steps in learning any language. In fact, you cannot learn a new language if you do not listen to it often. Language is originally sounds and words that are spoken, and for this reason you must train your ears to hear these sounds regularly. When you listen to English regularly, your brain begins to get used to the tone of the voice and the way words are pronounced. Over time, you will start to distinguish between words, and you will notice that you begin to understand some expressions even if you have not studied them directly. For this reason, you should make listening a daily habit in your life. Try to listen to English every day, even if it is only for a short period of time. You can listen to simple English stories because they help you understand the language in a natural context. You can also watch educational videos that explain words and sentences clearly. In addition, you can listen to podcasts, which are among the best tools for improving your listening skill.
At the beginning, you may not understand everything, and this is completely normal. Do not worry if you do not understand many words, because the goal at the beginning is simply to get your ears used to hearing the language. With time, and with repeated listening day after day, you will notice that you start recognizing new words. These words enter your memory naturally through listening, even without trying to memorize them. After that, we move to the second stage, which is learning and memorizing words. Words are the foundation of any language. Without words, you cannot build sentences and you cannot express your ideas. For this reason, it is important to keep learning new words continuously. Some people say that memorization is not important, but in reality, memorization is an essential part of learning a language, especially when it is not your native language. A small child learns their native language by listening to words for many years before they begin to understand and use them. However, when we learn a new language, we need some memorization so that we can acquire vocabulary faster.
You can start by learning the words that you see in your daily life. Look at the things around you at home or in the street and try to learn their names in English. For example, you can learn the names of furniture in the house, such as the table, chair, door, and window. The names of different animals. The names of colors. The names of professions and jobs. The names of means of transportation, such as cars, buses, and trains. The names of electronic devices, such as phones, computers, and televisions. And also the names of the clothes that we wear. When you learn these words, you will feel that the language becomes closer to your daily life because you connect it with the things you see every day. After learning a good number of words, you can move on to learning sentences. Learning sentences is very important because it helps you use words in real situations. Try to memorize some sentences that you can use in your daily life. For example, you can learn introduction sentences such as, "How are you?" "Nice to meet you." "What is your name?" You can also learn sentences that you might use in the street, such as, "Can you guide me to this place?" "Excuse me, where is this road?"
You can also learn sentences used in restaurants, shops, or public transportation. All these sentences will help you communicate with others when you need to use English in real life. After that, we move to the third stage, which is reading. Reading is very important because it helps you see the words written in front of you. When you see a word written several times, you begin to remember its shape and the way it is written. For this reason, try to read regularly. You can read short stories because they're enjoyable and easy to understand. You can also read simple articles or topics about things that interest you. There are thousands of stories and articles on the internet in English in different fields. You can easily find these materials on websites or in educational videos on YouTube. Reading also helps you discover new words and understand how sentences are formed correctly. Then we reach the fourth stage, which is writing. Writing is a very important skill because it helps you use the language by yourself. When you write words and sentences, you train your brain to remember them and use them. If you are a beginner, you can start in a very simple way. When you listen to a video in English, try to write what you hear. Take a piece of paper and a pen and write the words or sentences that you hear. You can pause the video if necessary and then try to check your writing after finishing. This method helps you develop both listening and writing skills at the same time. You can also try writing simple sentences about your daily life. For example, you can write about what you did today or what you plan to do tomorrow. With time, you will become able to write longer texts and express your ideas more clearly. Finally, we reach the last stage, which is consistency. Consistency is the real key to learning any skill in life. You cannot learn English in one day or in one week. Learning a language requires time, patience, and continuous practice. Try to dedicate some time every day to learning English, even if it is only half an hour. The important thing is to continue learning regularly. If you listen every day, learn new words, read and write continuously, you will notice after several months that your English level has improved significantly. In the end, always remember that English is not a difficult language as some people believe. It only requires the right method and consistent practice. If you continue learning step by step, you will find that understanding and speaking English becomes much easier than you expected. I hope this episode is useful for you, and I wish you success in your journey to learn English. Do not forget to support the video with a like and share it with your friends so that everyone can benefit. See you in the next episode.